Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Spotify for Windows. If you'd rather listen to Spotify on a desktop or laptop computer instead of your mobile device, you can easily download the desktop client, log in, and keep listening to your profile and music. To do this, first open a web browser like Chrome and then head to Spotify.com. From here, at the top on the right, click Download. It will then take you to the download page and automatically give you the version for your machine. Hit the download button in the middle of the page. It will automatically begin downloading the Spotify installer. If you're using Chrome, you'll see the progress in the lower left of your screen. If you're using Edge or something else, it may show you in the top right near the address bar. The installer is small, so it should be pretty quick to download. Once it's finished, select the file to open the installer. It will then automatically download and install Spotify. If we close Chrome and ignore Spotify for right now, we should see that we now have a Spotify shortcut icon on our desktop. If not, you can just find it inside of the Start menu program list. Head back into Spotify or open it if it isn't already, and you can then log into your account. Your playlist, music, podcasts, and everything else will then sync to your machine, and you can begin listening just like you would on any mobile device. And that's how you download and install Spotify for Windows. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.